The Eternal Pro integration with Clio is fast, secure, and bidirectional. It lets estate planners run intake in Eternal Pro while keeping client contacts, matter data, and files synchronized with Clio. This is your Eternal Pro dashboard where you manage intake. In the left navigation menu, open Integrations and select Clio. Click Connect to Clio, and then complete the standard authorization flow to let Eternal Pro connect. Once the status shows green, you can return to the dashboard. We'll take a client who has finished their intake, as indicated by the green completion circle, and then click the share icon next to their name. The first section asks where to send the data. Choose Clio. If the client has more than one matter in Eternal Pro, pick the source matter here. Then pick the destination matter in Clio. Either choose an existing matter, create a new one, or leave it blank for a default title. Next, choose what to export. In this example, we will send everything one item at a time. Pick your preferred format for the questionnaire and for the inventory. You can also choose to include the files the client uploaded during intake, such as copies of documents needed for planning. And lastly, synchronize the contacts the client entered. You decide how each contact is handled in Clio. You can see already the system is noting that two of these contacts already exist in Clio, so in that case, it defaults to link those existing contacts. You can also choose to skip a contact or synchronize, which both links it to the matter and updates the existing contact's details. This provides granular control over the data synchronization with Clio. Now, click Export. During this process, Eternal Pro sends a secure encrypted set of data directly into Clio Manage, automatically handling the matter creation or linking to an existing matter. It also automatically creates links or synchronizes the contacts as you've specified and synchronizes all the selected data into the matter. A success message confirms what was sent. Key matter records are shown for confirmation and stored with the matter. Now switch to Clio Manage and refresh your contacts. We'll find our example client, Thomas Sanders, in the contact list. There he is, along with the estate planning matter we just opened, including his contact information and estate information. Open the matter, you can see that along with the client, the related contacts that we previously linked or added appear here with their details directly in the Clio matter. Open Documents and you'll find every uploaded file, plus the questionnaire and inventory we exported. Everything is organized and ready to use, with all the data right here in the Clio matter. That's the Clio integration. It's just one piece of what Eternal Pro does. If you'd like to see the rest, book a demo and we'll show you how it fits your existing Clio and legal tech workflows. Thank you.